The Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 Braiser Pan offers unmatched versatility for the modern home cook who values efficiency and quality. This compact 3.3-quart vessel features a durable enameled cast iron construction that ensures even heat distribution and exceptional heat retention for slow cooking stews or braising meats. By integrating a multifunctional design, the Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 Braiser Pan effectively eliminates the need for extra clutter in your cabinets while providing professional-grade performance on any stovetop. The clever engineering of this set centers on the heavy-duty lid that doubles as a functional stovetop grill pan. When you need to sear steaks, grill vegetables, or achieve perfect char marks, simply invert the lid to transform it into a secondary cooking surface. This space-saving innovation makes the Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 Braiser Pan an essential tool for small kitchens or for those who appreciate a streamlined culinary workflow that does not sacrifice results. Beyond its utility, the enameled finish prevents food from sticking and makes cleanup a straightforward task compared to traditional raw cast iron. The elegant design transitions seamlessly from the stove or oven directly to the dinner table, providing a stylish presentation for your favorite meals. Whether you are simmering a hearty casserole or grilling a quick dinner, this cookware set brings reliability and sophisticated function to every single recipe you prepare. Pros: versatile 2-in-1 design, smooth non-stick enamel coating, even heat distribution, stovetop to oven compatible, high heat resistance, durable high-quality materials, dishwasher safe. Convenience, no seasoning required, ergonomic sure grip handles, elegant displayable finish. Full lifetime warranty, includes beautiful gift box cons. No featured offers available, limited 3.3-quart capacity, potential for enamel chipping, heavy cast iron traction features. 2-in-1 design, enameled cast iron 3.3-quart capacity, includes grill lid, versatile casserole pan, stovetop grill use, durable cast iron. The Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 Braiser Pan offers unmatched versatility for the modern home cook who values efficiency and quality. This compact 3.3-quart vessel features a durable enameled cast iron construction that ensures even heat distribution and exceptional heat retention for slow cooking stews or braising meats. By integrating a multifunctional design, the Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 Braiser Pan effectively eliminates the need for extra clutter in your cabinets while providing professional-grade performance on any stovetop. The Gennua Kitchen 2-in-1 enameled cast iron braiser offers exceptional versatility and convenience. Through its durable, high heat-resistant design that requires no seasoning and features a smooth, dishwasher-safe finish suitable for both stovetop and oven use. While it provides excellent heat distribution and comes with a lifetime warranty, users should be aware that the heavy construction and limited 3.3-quart capacity may be restrictive for larger meals, and the enamel coating remains susceptible to potential chipping over time.